distance. And they're up. Harod's Magic, El Indio, moving up by the rail. Then back comes Chuchi, Nelly by the rail. Is Tiago running in between runners. Sugar Daddy on the outside. Shut up. Ninjitsu comes next. Ever Charming by the rail. Is Reality Show, and trailing the group is Red Hot Water. As they rounded the last 600, Nelly being joined by Harod's Magic on the outside. El Indio racing in third as they rounded the final 450. Harod's Magic, Nelly down on the inside. El Indio, Tiago, Ninjitsu moving up on the outside. Shut up, Tiago. And down the stretch they come. Harod's Magic, El Indio, Ninjitsu moving up on the outside together with Tiago. Ninjitsu takes the lead. Tiago in between runners. El Indio down on the inside. Sugar Daddy with 75 meters. Ninjitsu over El Indio, and finally Ninjitsu, El Indio, Tiago, Sugar Daddy, and number 10, Shut Up. For your pentafecta, then comes Harod's Magic, Chuchinelli,